Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we went from this to this and show you exactly what we used, and there's only been one application applied since then. If this is your first time here, my name is Chris and I am the content creator for SoCal Lawn and Order here in Southern California. In today's video we're going to show you the 7 steps that we took to get our yard from fall of last year to the spring of this year. Let's get to it. Step 1 was to get the grass mowed down to 1.5 to 2 inches to help open up the grass canopy and be able to get the seed down to the soil. You can mow the grass down over time when you have a specific date of when you plan on actually applying your seed, or like we did it all in one day since we were going to do everything in one day anyways. Once you have it sprayed, you want to continue your regular watering cycle to help get the chemicals into the leaf tissue and into the soil to make sure that you kill off the roots. Step 3, after about 3 to 4 weeks, we use a Sunjo dethatcher to rake up as much of the dead debris as possible. We used one pass to accomplish this, and then took our mower to vacuum up as much of the dead debris as we possibly could. Step 4, we added 2 yards of compost, which you can see here, to add some organic materials to the lawn and to have the compost help with the germination of the new seed, and while also helping to improve the moisture retention of the water that we put down onto the ground. Step 5, we spread the seed at a rate of 6 to 7 pounds per 1,000 square feet using a broadcast spreader. We first walked the trim paths, which is the outside perimeter of the lawn, and using the edge guard of the spreader to ensure that we didn't get any seed in areas that we didn't want. Then we went north to south and east to west to get an even spread on the seed. The goal is to broadcast the seed from wheel pass to wheel, overlapping the coverage of each pass. Step 6, the folks at EasyDo sent us this compost spreader, which I can tell you won't be disappointed with. I'll cover this more in the next video, but what we did here was we applied peat moss on top of the seed to help with the retention of water and to also help keep the birds from eating the seed. Step 7, we applied Scott's Triple Action Fertilizer. This fertilizer has the same active ingredient as Tenacity, which is mesotrione. That will help take care of any weeds that come up during the process of the germination. We applied this at 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet, which is the label rate. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. We hope that you would come back. If you did get something out of it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.